What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about gaming. So enough of me talking. Let's get started through this Porodo gaming handheld. So yeah, there we go. Nice try. So here we have it, guys. So this is the Porodo gaming. It's called PDX623. So it seems to be really great, and this kind of gaming, if I'm not mistaken, I've seen it from Porodo, which is the RGB 20S, if I'm not mistaken. So I think it's just the same model, and there's a problem with this Porodo gaming, which I came across it. You might be playing the game and might know what. Of me talking, let's get started throughout reviewing this kind of bad boy and unboxing it and see what's goody about it. So yeah, here's our gaming, as you can see, which it's really great. At the back there's a specification. We're gonna check it out later how it is, and on this side, as you can see, there's our gaming. So we're gonna just unbox it since I unboxed it already. So nice and easy, there we go. So as you can see, guys, we're having our packaging in here. This is like a carrying case, which it's really brilliant, and you're getting USB-A to USB Type-C, which it's really great whenever you're having your gaming. So this is really awesome. Think throughout our bad boy in here, which I think it's inside. So yeah, so there we go. Okay, nice. You're getting, first of all, this kind of paper, which states it's scan here to access user manual. So the user manual, it's online. If you just want to go, you can scan the barcode and go to the user manual. On this side, you're having your gaming handheld, which it's really great. Nice, looks really amazing. I don't like the way they kept the analog here, but anyways, it's quite not bad. So this is how it looks like. Really impressive, to be honest. I kind of like it the way they kept the buttons too, but I feel like if it was a little bit having spacing somewhere here, much better to hold it and play on it and having this analog on top. But overall, it's quite not bad, because if we try to compare with the Anbornic, this one which I have, I think Anbornic has a very good flows whenever you're playing it, but sometimes if you have a bigger hand, you just feel like you're squeezing the game so much. But overall, it's quite not bad throughout here on this game. So we're gonna just turn it on so you can check out the software side and see how what's happening. So it's called RGB Open Source Console. Overall, the gaming looks good, to be honest. Can't complain, because this looks like a Porodo RGB 20S, if I'm not mistaken. So there we go. Last played, I didn't play any game, by the way. It was just like, it's tripping. So these are the games over here, which it's great. It's packed with bunch of console gaming, and it's really impressive. Like, you're having even PlayStation, PSP. If you want to clutch in the PSP game, we have Assassin's Creed. When you just overview on here, it shows you how the gameplay it is. Sometimes this kind of thumbnails usually be like a player, which is just syncing, and it's quite not bad overall. Looks good. Arkos is just a really amazing kind of emulator to give you a nice look on your gaming. Compared to the Anbornic, which I'm having, it doesn't have something like that, but you can flash it and keep your Arkos. But I'm still sticking with the stock ROM, which I'm going to talk about it later, why I'm sticking with the stock ROM, because I think this stock ROM from Anbornic, it feels good compared to custom ROM, which you can install. But overall, each ROM has its own flows, so can't complain on that. So this is the Porodo gaming, but I can say this is Porodo Poked kind of gaming. So overall, quite not bad. So the problem with this game, what I've noticed, so let's say we go to family here, Famicom, and I'm trying to play, let's say, Dragon Warrior. So the game will try to start, it will blink and it won't play, you won't see anything. So we can reduce the sound. Actually, you can't see anything, you see, it's just blackout. But the game, the sound you can hear at the background, which is something which it's quite annoying throughout the game, because you just don't want something like that whenever it happens. Let's talk about the specification of the Porodo PDX623. Well, it has a 3.5-inch IPS OCA screen. It has a 640x480 screen dimension. It comes with the chipset of ST7703 chip with plus Gamma 2.2. On the battery capacity, it has 3500 milliamp of battery. On the battery life, it lasts for 8 hours. Charging time, you can charge it for 2 hours, and the power uses 5 watts, which is quite not bad. It has an ARM or quad-core open source chip, and it has a RAM of DDR3 1GB of RAM. On the size side or product weight, it has 190 grams, which is quite not bad. On the interface side, it uses the Type-C and even the USB OTG plus the 3.5mm jack, which is quite impressive. It has 2 slots of memory card, which is TF1 and TF2, which is really dope throughout here. So overall, this game really good when it comes to the specification. So guys, that's it about our Porodo PDX623. Seems to be really great and amazing game, quite not bad for its kind of specs, but there's actually a downside on this game because it seems like Porodo did not manufacture this game. Actually, I think they went partnership with Paul Kitty and they copied everything. They just branded this game as theirs, but in reality, I think the companies nowadays, they replicate the products and they just slap them with brands and they seems to be theirs, but actually these actually know anything throughout their existing of this device. It's all about making a sale. We understand that making a sale of these consoles is much better, but if the console has any problems in terms of software, I think it's just you to have doing a research online or finding something which can be closer to that device so as you can flash the ROMs and all of that. But overall, it's just a hassle on there. So if you're buying a handheld console, make sure that you're buying throughout a brand which actually makes it, not the brand which actually what am I saying, not the brand which actually sells it just like they just want to make money. So I think there's actually total difference throughout there. Now, let's talk about why I prefer the stock ROM. Well, the stock ROM has a lot of options in terms of software wise and in terms of capability, how the software works compared to custom ROMs which you can install on your handheld consoles. They might be having some different stuff, especially like the UI might be good and all of that, but I prefer the stock ROM because it just comes in stock. It doesn't have much buggy. I understand not all the ROMs out there they're perfect because some of them they have bugs, some of them they might act around, but I think the stock ROM is much better. Like this for Unbarnic, it's really great. And if you didn't check out this review of this Unbarnic, just click here or here to go and check it out. It's a really nice gaming handheld throughout clutching, and it's really cool. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of Porodo gaming. Is it really worth it for you to just to grab it? For me, I can say yes, but just know that it comes with the downside for the support of the software and all of that. So just beware of that before you make a decision on buying this kind of tech. So yeah, so that's what's up. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next one, and peace.